noch kein Kind. Stau in ein...
Okay?
Admittedly, a car roof won't always cave in on itself. Cannons.
So many seconds to tell the story. Cars don't always just explode on impact.
On this test run, for which the team was asked to split a truck in half, they built a 10-inch dual cannon system to pull it off. Never do on their own.
So when they come in and they hit that ramp, then the angle of the kicker at the end is what will send the car spiraling and flipping over at speed.
Use set decoration like roadblocks. Builds cable accelerators to pull heavy vehicles in a desired direction fast.
Estamos esperando.
Make places. Make places.
Completely unscathed, pretty much. It's a fairly violent sort of ride. You do get thrown around a fair bit inside, and it's just a case of really holding on, and as the car's going over, you're anticipating the impacts. Well, I think I was doing just over 70 miles an hour, about 75, when I hit the button. Just took off really. Once it started to go and it bit into the grass, there was no stopping it really.
over and over and over again. Great as well because they did the close-up